May I come in, sir?
Please come in. Please sit
Thank
down.
you, sir. Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Please sit down. Manasi Singh.
Yes, sir.
So tell me something about yourself.
So my name is Mansi Singh. I was born and brought up in a city named Urei in Uttar Pradesh. I have completed my graduation from University of Delhi in BSc Honours Microbiology. Right now I'm working as an ACIO2 in Intelligence Bureau.
So Intelligence Bureau.
Yes, sir.
That's good. And intelligence these days is very important. Why do you want to come civil service? Yeah? They
Yes,
give
sir.
a good salary, they give good importance, and you have access to the most influential people in the country.
Yes, sir.
Then what is the problem? Why civil service?
Sir, first thing is the career advancement. And sir, civil services provide a large canvas to paint on, and it brings so much opportunities.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So you come from Urei.
Yes, sir.
Why district name is Jalon?
Sir.
It should be Urei.
Yes, sir.
What is the controversy? Why it was named as Jalon?
Sir, Jalon is also a city in Jalon.
No, but
So
why?
there is a different city. That's why it is named as Jalon, and also it is named after a saint, sir.
But district headquarters is in Urei.
Yes, sir. Sir,
District headquarters is Urei and named as Jalon. What is this contradiction?
Sir, earlier it was named after Jalon, and Urei was made district headquarters because of the logistical factors, sir, because it has railway station which is connecting Kanpur and Jhansi, and also, sir, it has National Highway 27.
Wasn't it because of public demand? Was this for public demand also?
Sir, that I am not sure of.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, your father is in agriculture.
Yes, sir.
And his income you have shown very meager, 25,000.
Yes, sir.
And mother is teaching. So,
Yes, sir.
which kind of agriculture your father is doing?
Sir, mostly we have one crop season, and Rabi is the major crop, having wheat, grams, and mustard sometimes, sir. And if monsoon is nice, then we go for Kharif, and paddy is there, sir.
So, you don't have any irrigation canal system on that side?
Sir, canal system is there, and river Betwa has there. So Bamba system is there, but tube wells are not there, sir.
But 25,000 means just 2,000 a month. That means agriculture is very bad shape.
Definitely, sir. It's an issue because of the fragmentation of land. The land holding is very small. And also, sir, because of lack of irrigation facilities, only one crop is sown in a year, sir.
Have you heard of Kalpi?
Yes, sir.
Why Kalpi is known?
Sir, Kalpi is known for historical significance. Sir, forts are there, and Lanka is there, sir. And it is famous for Ved Vyas temple, sir.
Vidyas.
Yes, sir.
And not for, by the way, Maharani Lakshmibai was not related to that?
Yes, sir. She has connection with Kalpi also,
What
sir.
was that?
Sir, it is said that when she was traveling, she has gone through the Kalpi, sir.
She was traveling or she was running away?
Yes, sir.
She went there.
Yes, sir.
Okay. In Urei, there is a. Have you heard of Alauddin stories?
Yes, sir.
Who was the ruler of Urei?
Sir, Alauddin were the
No, story Urei. There was some ruler of Urei at that time.
yes, sir, Mahil Mama. That's why Urei is also known as Mahil Nagri, sir.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, sir.
So why he is called Mahil Mama? Was he not trustworthy?
Definitely not, sir, as we have very long history where mamas were not so loyal. So even Mahil Mama was not loyal, sir.
Okay, suppose you are given the charge of a district collector in
Yes, sir.
Urei. You know the problem and things on the area. What are the 3 things you will do?
So first thing will be agriculture, because agrarian economy is there. So if development can be made in this regard. So second will be education, and my third priority will be, sir, health sector.
The health sector. Nice. In agriculture, if there is no rain, is a rain-fed area, what you can do?
Sir, new irrigation system can be introduced. For example, tube wells, sprinklers can be
Is there
introduced.
groundwater available?
Sir, right now Ken Betwa project has been introduced. If possible, we can check if any source of water can be taken from Ken Betwa link, sir.
Oh, how it will be taken? Because Betwa is little away from Orai, isn't it?
Sir, but canal system can be made, sir.
Okay, you're talking about pump canals.
Yes, sir.
I see. So irrigation is the only thing that comes to your mind.
No, sir. Different crops, for example, pulses that can be cultivated in drought-prone area can be introduced, sir. And also, if possible, agro industries can be developed in these areas so that unemployment and agriculture can be ensured in these areas, sir.
Yeah, agricultural produce is not there, then how agro industry will come up? Because they have to import raw material from other places.
Yes, sir.
So,
Sir, if we are focusing on agriculture and production can be increased, then only, sir, industries can be developed in these areas, sir.
have Bundelkhand used some remote sensing techniques
Sir, I'm not sure of. I will
for
look at that.
identifying groundwater?
Sir, I'm not aware.
No. Okay. Suppose as a Bundelkhandi, would you like to have a separate state of yours, not being away from UP, which is basically probably not treating that area, that region very well?
Sir, this is a very complex topic and there are various factors that need to be taken care. For example, the seeds of development has not reached up to Bundelkhand because of the major focus on western Uttar Pradesh. But now focus has been given to Bundelkhand. Now the focus has been given to soft as well as hard infrastructure in Bundelkhand area. For example, Bundelkhand Expressway, defense corridor has been introduced. So if the fruits of development are reaching,
That is improving.
yes, sir. So this can help.
Today it's the Women's Day.
Yes, sir.
What is the objective of celebrating Women's Day?
So to create awareness regarding the women empowerment and to ensure that one day we can think about how this can be achieved, sir.
I see. Have you heard of Mahabharata?
Yes, sir.
There, Draupadi's marriage takes place,
Yes, sir.
and then situation happened that she had to be the wife of 5 husbands. By this, being a student of anthropology, what you can deduct about the type of society at that time?
Sir, this is an example of polyandry, which is quite common among even now tribal societies. And sir, this shows the position of women in the society. Mostly polyandrous could be because of various factors. First thing is less number of females in that society. Second, they don't want to segregate or fragment the land. So if 5 sons are marrying a single woman, so land will be inherited in the
But
same
in this
family.
case, it was not that. It is not that.
Yes, sir.
So one is of course, so that means polyandry was accepted of norm. Anything else?
So these two I can think of.
Why? What mother? Mother can say you go and share your wife. Mother's role. It means everybody listen to mother. Today they don't listen.
Okay.
Anything else?
So from anthropological perspective, I can think of these two things.
Thank you, sir. Mansi, you're a microbiologist,
Yes, sir.
and you've won a gold medal, published articles. So you are very good in your discipline. Then why do you want to become a civil servant?
Ma'am, first I wanted to pursue microbiology, but when I got to learn the opportunities that are present in civil services, as at some point of time I wanted to go for government services. That's why, ma'am, I prepared for UPSC.
Okay, and what do you feel? What are these opportunities that you talk about?
Ma'am, as I said that it provide a large canvas and also you can make social changes at the larger section, ma'am. So these things are not available in other jobs, ma'am.
Okay. Now, we were talking about agriculture and how the agricultural, despite the government's efforts to double the farmer income,
Yes, sir.
They have not become successful. So, what are 3 measures that should be taken for this? I do understand the problems that you mentioned, irrigation and all these. So, what are the 3 specific things that should be done in Urai to alleviate the farmer problem?
Ma'am, first thing is the agriculture should be as per the soil and climatic condition. For example, pulses were not given the advantage in that area, which should be. Ma'am, second thing is the use of fertilizers, that too natural one, so that it is more sustainable in nature. And fourth is, ma'am, third is infrastructure development, so that the crop that has been produced can be linked with the market. So enough price realization is there, ma'am.
Okay. Now, when you talk about pulses and this price realization, don't you feel that it is the farmers who eventually decide what they want to grow?
Ma'am, mostly because of lack of awareness and the traditional system that has been going on. So they mostly go for wheat, paddy because of the MSP. And also, ma'am, they are not sure of what other crops, for example, horticulture crops, can be grown in that area.
Okay. You have played quite a role in women's cricket. You
Yes, sir.
captain women's cricket team. It's also your hobby.
Yes, sir.
However, the participation of women in cricket has still been low in the country. So, what are the reasons? Despite cricket being larger than life in India.
Ma'am, first thing is already existing patriarchal norms where women are not considered to be suitable for outdoor activities. Their role was just restricted in household chores. So first reason is this, ma'am. Second thing is the enough sponsorship and viewership. Even though we have women cricket team, we have WPL. If we see the viewership of championship trophy and WPL, we can see the differences, ma'am. So these are the things, ma'am.
Can you mention any woman cricket player who has influenced you or whom you like?
Ma'am, Jamie Rodriguez is there, who is a right hand batter, and also ma'am Smriti Mandhana. So
Okay. Now, you've mentioned about the Sukshma Jeev Society.
yes, sir.
Sukshma Jeev is the microorganisms.
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me what is the utility of, or what are the advantages? Why should we have these Sukshma Jeev? What is their significance?
Ma'am, their importance can be ascertained from a single fact that even 2 kgs to 3 kgs of our body weight is because of microorganism only. They are important for the gut, for example, gut microbiology, for the digestion. And also, ma'am, in environmental parlance, bioremediation can be achieved with the help of microorganisms. In health and medical sector, vaccine formation, drug formation can be ascertained by the microorganisms. And also, ma'am, industrial sector, our major food products, for example, curd and alcohol, are made by the fermented products. Yes, ma'am.
Now, when we talk about microorganisms and microbiology, it's also very highly dependent on research, which is still lacking in our country. So, how do we promote research in a very specific field, which is microbiome?
Ma'am, first thing is to increase the R&D GDP. For example, it is less than 0.7%. So when funding is not there, people will not be attracted towards R&D. Second issue is, ma'am, brain drain. So there is need to ensure that these high brains should be appreciated in our country and they will get the what is needed. Ma'am, third thing is the patent regulation, which is very important. And ma'am, these things. Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. So you are right now working in IB.
Yes, sir.
So how IB is formed?
Sir, IB was formed in 1887 as a central special branch. Earlier, it was working as internal as well as external agencies. But
What are
after,
the constitutional provisions for this establishment of this agency?
sir, IB as such is not a constitutional body. So I'm not
There
aware.
must be certain enabling provisions, like in union list. Intelligence gathering is in the union list, I think, right?
Sir,
To
I
protect
will.
the security, country security, Article 355, I think. Are you aware of that?
No, sir, I have to look into it.
Okay. So there are so many intelligence agencies. intelligence and investigation agencies found by the central government.
Yes, sir.
What is the basis of the constitutional provisions behind that? CBI, NIA, how they were formed and what is the enabling provisions in the constitution?
Sir, as far as I have knowledge about these agencies, these were formed under special acts. I'm not sure of constitutional provisions.
That act must have certain backing from constitution. Then only central government can make an act. And Parliament has certain. Parliament draws its power from the constitution.
Okay, sir.
You are not aware.
No, sir.
Let's say you have gathered certain intelligence. You will share with the state governments. So there is a certain center-union relations also matters. Whatever the intelligence input you are giving, on that intelligence input, state police need to act basically. Then only the prevention can happen. So how far the relations between the center and states are there, especially with respect to the security matters?
Sir, as far as IB is concerned, so we don't report to state agencies. So we directly report to MHA, and from their instructions come to the state parlance. For state, they have special security agencies. For example, SIDs are there. And for the collaboration, we have MAC, sir, where all the agencies of state and center come together to share the information.
Okay.
Yes.
So how about these the agency that is the National Investigation Agency, NIA? Many state governments are saying that it is against the federalism. What is your view on that?
Sir, when issues of national security are there, so certainly central government has to take care of it. But police and law and order come under the state list. For that they have police and state agencies also. But sir, if global issues and security issues are impacting, so we need to have...
That is fine, but
Yes, sir.
how states are saying that it is a threat, it is like it is violating the federalism provisions.
Sir, as NIA have power to arrest in any place, sir, which is also the part of police agency, sir. So that's where contradictory role come place, and state alleges that the center is misusing them, sir.
So you don't coordinate with the state police.
Sir, at higher level we do, but the information which is gathered is not shared with the state police as such, sir.
So what are the LACNA in a state police?
So first thing is the investigative and the law and order agencies are same. Sir, various committees have recommended to segregate it. And sir, large working hours, sir, they have very long working hours because of the paucity of the men force. So sir, the vacancies need to be filled, sir. Third thing is the female representation is not there. For example, it is only 13% in police forces, which needs to be taken care. And sir, the infrastructure that they are having needs to be modernized, sir.
What about the police reforms highlighted by this Prakash Singh? In
Yes, sir.
Prakash Singh case, Supreme Court has laid certain directives. Those become later on police reforms. What are those 7 police reforms that talked about in Prakash Singh case?
Sir, I have read about it, but right now I cannot recall, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Yes.
Oh, you are a cricketer, no? In
Yes.
ball or bat?
Sir, better.
You are a batter.
Yes.
Okay. Who is the captain of Indian cricket team? Female cricket team?
Sir, right now, Harmanpreet Kaur is the captain, sir.
And who is the best all-rounder at this point?
Sir, from my opinion, Richa Ghosh is quite famous for all-rounding, sir.
Okay, you have named Ved Vyas.
Yes, sir.
Who is this fellow?
Sir, he is the one who wrote Mahabharat, and also his father has quite history during the Kaurav and Pandav history, sir.
What is his name, Ved Vyas? What was
Sir,
his name?
fathers?
No, what was his name, Ved Vyas? Ved Vyas was his title, I think.
Yes, sir.
What was his name?
Sir, I'm unable to recall.
Oh, so okay. Today Women's Day, na?
Yes, sir.
What about feminist movement? Can you define it?
Sir, feminist movement starts for the equality and the equal rights for the women, sir, in all the parlance, be it economic, social and political. The women should have equal representation and equal opportunities, sir.
Where it has started?
Sir, I have to look into it.
What is the difference between first phase and second phase of feminist movement?
Sir, I have to read about it.
Okay. So you are from Bhaskaracharya College. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Who
sir.
was this Bhaskaracharya?
Sir, there were two Bhaskaracharya in history, but the name from which my college has derived was Bhaskaracharya II. He was a mathematician who wrote books like Siddhant Shiromani, which has Leelavati and Ank Gadit, Beej Ganita there, sir, and Gola Adhyay, sir.
Why it's Leelavati?
Because it was his daughter's name, sir.
What was written there? What is the importance of Leelavati?
Sir, it was related to Arth Gadit, numerical mathematics, sir.
What is the contribution
Sir, contribution of?
Bhaskaracharya second?
Sir, in mathematics, he has given concepts. For example, he has talked about calculus, and in sir, he has given how to calculate the sine and cosine theta, sir.
Okay, any other?
Sir, these things I can.
Okay, you have heard about in international arena 9-dash line or 11-dash line.
Yes, sir, I have heard about it.
What is this?
Sir, 9-dash line segregates India from Maldives. And sir, 11-dash line, I have to read about it.
China is a bit expansionist. Do you agree?
Definitely, sir. China has shown the expansionist power, sir. And as we have seen the policies, salami slicing policy and also string pearl theory of China, sir. So they have the tendency,
Is China
sir.
is a threat or challenge for us?
Sir, it's both for us, sir.
How come?
Sir, challenge in the field of economy, in technological capabilities. Threat, sir, we have seen our part of Aksai chain is with China right now, and they're also claiming our Arunachal Pradesh. So our sovereignty is in threat, sir.
Okay, but they are saying that dragon and elephant can go together. The statement of the foreign minister.
But sir, elephant has to take care, sir, when dragon can give the fire,
Oh,
sir.
we are calling, they call us elephant.
Sir, I have to read about it.
So what's your opinion about the current international situation?
Sir, currently, the rise of Trump in USA has come as a disruption in world order, as we have seen his position in Ukraine and
What
Russia.
was the world order earlier, before Trump?
Sir, although it was very differential, but the bipolarism was there, and America was considering the peace and sustainability in the region, and they were following the traditional diplomacy. But right now, there is no traditional diplomacy. They are ready to negotiate with any power, any ally. So these are the things that they are creating disruption, and how they are taking USA out of major parties, for example, WHO. So Trump is quite unpredictable now, sir.
Okay, my last question. Do you think that for Ukrainian crisis, Putin is only responsible person?
Sir, as it is said that there are need of two hands for a clapping. So we cannot put both complete blame on Putin, sir. He was quite thinking about the NATO expansionism. So that's why he has taken those steps. But at the same time, the dream of NATO for the Ukraine, when they were completely aware that Russia will be going wary of it, sir, blames need to be shared to
Only
the both
NATO is
sides.
problem?
Sir, and the... Sir, yes, sir.
Any economic problem with Ukraine?
Sir, I'm not aware.
Okay, thank you.
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, Mansi,
Yes, sir.
I think you come out as a very confident candidate and a good expression, pleasing person. And you have a lot of time also for updating whatever knowledge you have. First, that around your DAF you have to be ready.
Yes.
Agriculture, then teaching, so many more details. About information, about intelligence, maybe many questions, particularly the 5 eyes and what they have evidence, and when India denied them, and sort of killing of a Sikh in Canada and another one. So all those aspects and then international implications, foreign policy implications, all those things will be important. And of course your list. In addition, watch out for any major developments internationally or nationally, major court orders that come out which
Yes, sir.
in relation to policy and others, and of course budget and domain related issues, particularly since the Parliament has already passed a law for reservation and they postponed it because they want to do it through delimitation, first past the post system.
Yes, sir.
They could have done it otherwise if they wanted to have through the proportional representation, just these things.
Okay, sir.
So that was possible, but they did not do it. Probably they wanted to postpone it themselves.
Yes.
So those issues, implications of that, human rights, Universal Declaration of Human Rights, ICCPR, then CEDA, and all those issues. Being a women candidate, I think some people may go into those directions. Then Trump says that there is no gender between gender and sex,
Yes,
and
sir.
says that only male and female, that there are no implications of that, and how it evolves, human rights are involved and all. Those areas also you should be ready with. And then of course your Bundelkhand, particularly agriculture there
ठीक है,
is
sir.
all rich soil. And then instead of growing wheat, you can always have crops which are good in red soil and low thing. Like millets are selling very high these days.
Yes, sir.
Millets could be one area which could be promoted, and so on and so forth. So then remote sensing to find out whether there is water below, and then putting pump sets and so on. I mean, those are the areas above Bundelkhand should be, if you are able to give a good reply, that you have made it. So,
Okay.
but otherwise you come out as a very good candidate.
Okay,
So,
sir.
so go ahead with confidence. And you must have taken some more mocks.
Yes, sir.
Any feedback given to you?
So mostly personality wise they said completely okay, but just fill those knowledge gaps that you are having, because I said sorry so many times.
It's fine. I think that assessment is fine. To my mind also, it's the same assessment. All the best.
So ma'am, any others?
I will just say, Mansi, that you're a very good candidate. You
Thank you.
have a very pleasing smile, good articulation. You're listening to the questions and answering. Just keep this up.
Okay,
Okay,
thank
just
you.
keep this up. You're a very good candidate. All the best.
Thank you, ma'am. Sir, do you want to say anything?
Knowledge, only thing I have to say, confidence level good, communication good, analytical ability good, body language good. Every box has been taken.
Knowledge, I have
Everything
knowledge.
fine. 9 dash line is the claim of China Island in South China.
Okay, I got
That's
confused.
why
with-
you stepped line. That's not between India and Malaysia. No way.
Just brush up your current affairs.
Otherwise, you brush current affairs. That's all. You are good, not bad.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Janus ki doing good all this.
ठीक है, thank you, sir.
Keep it up. Na?
All the best.
Good candidate.